Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life, and I'm doing an experiment now. I'm just doing a nighttime film of the seafront. Now this part probably won't show anything, but if we go back to the seafront itself, where there's light, we should have something worth looking at, hopefully. Up there you've got Tea for Two. It's Wednesday. I think there was a big storm here an hour or two ago. Certainly as I was driving down from Polemi, there were some huge puddles about, so. But they seem to have escaped the worst of it here at the seafront itself. And now hopefully you'll be able to see what it's like at night. Change the angle there slightly. If nothing else, this will give my cats a break, because I've been using them to experiment with the camera settings prior to this. Sparkly balloons. Oh, one other thing I should mention, I haven't got the same microphone that I normally use, because it's a different camera. And I'm using the gimbal as well, so if the sound's a bit dodgy, that's why. I've already taken some pictures. I don't know how they'll come out though, because this is more of an experiment than a full-on shoot. The little fisherman's getting a crowd still there. I don't know if you can see that. Weather-wise, you wouldn't know there'd been a storm. It's about 24 degrees centigrade, if the signs are accurate that they have here. I have to say the shops look nicer at night than they do during the day, because you can see inside more what they've got to offer. Bacchus. Here's the wooden pub. Lots of you seem to like that. So let's have a little close-up of that at night. Presumably they're watching a footy match in there. At the moment it just seems to be a burger advert. I'll go up to the harbour and the castle. I don't know if the Ulala man is going to be there, because he said in October they stopped up there in the evenings. But if he is, I'm sure we'll have a chat. Mar Bianco's another place that gets mentioned. I was going to film up in Old Town as well, but there was a lot of rain up there, and I don't think it's going to be worth it, because most of the crowd won't bother turning up there till later, I think. So I'll save that for another night. It'll also give me a chance to check the footage. case it sucks. It's nice seeing a place like the Captain's View actually open up there as well. Again, I'm normally here fairly early in the morning. Now, you're not going to get a packed restaurant on a Wednesday evening and off season, but I think next time if I come down on Saturday I could give Bar Street a go as well, only for filming purposes. I think my days of having it large are long gone. Get a bit of surf. Some of the ships look quite pretty in the harbour at night. There's the harbour restaurant, as opposed to the harbour itself, which is over here. And the lovely new flower beds, mercifully rubbish free. I wonder when this kiosk closes. I guess it's such a prime location, it wants to stay open as long as it can. Now I've got a bit of a harbour wall here to protect me from the waves. Nice views of that ship. It's a bit rough for reflections though, unfortunately. Oh, there's a funny light here. Is that for the artist? There's two artists, but only one light. We have to take it in turns. Not content with having his portrait, he also wanted to wave to the camera. Fair play. What I'm going to do actually is have a quick pan round so you can see what seafront looks like. Now on a calmer night you'd have lovely reflections there. Quick pan back again. This should probably look quite nice though. The clock 8:05. There you go. I'll try out the gimbal. There you go. Possibly a little quick. Oh, this is going to smell delicious in here now. I haven't had any tea yet, so. I thought there was a swimmer in there, but it's a boy. I might get a nice reflection shot here. I'll have to remember that from the camera on the way back. Oh, and this tree looks nice when it's illuminated. So I'll go for a close-up of that as well. Very nice. Theo's there. Looks like he's about to start playing. Be careful, or it'll kick in the copyright notice. People always think I'm joking when I say that, but you would be amazed what I get copyright dings for that I have to appeal. That's where you go for your bookings, for your tours. And here's the Pelican Restaurant. I'd imagine it's past the Pelican's bedtime though.
Yes.
Oh, there's a footy match on, let's see who's playing. Couldn't tell from there. Is that Henry? Hello.
You live here now?
Pardon?
Do you live here now?
Yes. I've lived in Cyprus for 7 years, mate.
I thought you used to go back and forth, no?
I did before that. That was a long time ago. It's first night film though.
Yeah?
It's only experiments, so I can see what the lighting's like first.
I got it.
So how are you?
Oh, same shit every day. Nothing has changed.
Oh, well, yeah, I thought you were closing at night in the October.
Well, that's no, end of October.
Oh, okay, got it.
End of October. Nice to see you.
And you?
Yeah, get back to work now.
Oh, sorry.
See you in a minute.
We'll move on. That's what he's like at the end of a hard day. Oh, no, this restaurant down here is quite new. Mind you, that busker must be here pretty much all day as well. I'll just pan round. I'll tell you one thing, you must have thought I came and visited Cyprus an awful lot then. No sign of any further work on the tin monstrosities. Looks very nice, that does though. There's a very hopeful ice cream parlour there. quite too cold for ice cream, but it's getting there. Ooh. Some paddle boats here now. I don't think the paddle boats, are they? Get your fit anyway. The Vinci's is still going strong.
England.
Yes, England.
Man United.
Oh, well done. Did you win then?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Didn't even know they were playing. But he's happy. And here's the modern Aphrodite. Looking towards Aphrodites Rock, which is quite a way in the distance, has to be said. There you go. And the castle's behind. Water fort, I know. It's actually a fort, not a castle. Locked up for the night. Oh, I've got a bit of a pond on it. Now, I don't think the view's going to be that good up there. I'll probably get a nicer closing shot just over here by these boats. So that's where I'm headed. It'll be interesting to see how the film turns out anyway. And if you like the film, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get that down again, that's better. Ooh. Right, I'll leave you looking at some boats with the sea front in the distance. Right, yeah, subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, and if you're on Facebook you can actually subscribe there as well now. And we do post exclusive content on Facebook. We'll be doing a lot more in the future, but we're still getting that going at the moment. But other than that, yeah, share what you see if you like it, and tell us what else you'd like to see. And on that note, we'll say goodbye. Cheers.